Now I am logged in as an insurance company. So one of the things that I may want to do is to see my projects. I can engage in project communications. I see that this project is in the pending phase, so it's still a phase one. The build out hasn't started yet, but I can see the team being assimilated. I can see that I am an approver. I can see the status of my phase one approval. I can see that I have not approved phase one. I can also see the other stakeholders who are also on the project, and I can also see their approval status for phase one. I can also see the name of the property design, the development, and the lot. Get a little bit of high-level information about the customer. I can go into the project details. The insurance company, much like the bank, can also get automated maintenance reminders to ensure that the customer is keeping the home that they have insured up to par, that they're keeping up the maintenance on the home as suggested by tradesmen and other subject matter experts. And the insurance company can follow up, take required action, if need be, initiate communication with the homeowner directly in the app. As well as the maintenance history, we also have the build history where the insurance company would have access to all of the phase level information, and they can take required actions on those things. The insurance company also has access to the received appraisals and the inspections. They can send secure messages to project stakeholders, as well as they would have access to the homeowner association compliance tracker. The insurance company also would have access to the project document repository, where they can see certifications, pictures, documents, receipts, lien waivers, stakeholder sign-offs. Insurers will also be able to configure on the settings page new insurance request configurations, how those should look when property developers or owners submit requests for insurance for new projects